What up, man? It's that nigga Kush just coming for the NFG movement. Just come and tell y'all what we finna start doing. That little freestyle for you. Shout out to my whole NFG crew. This just a little short sneak peek. That's it, cause we finna start putting out some real good shit. Y'all better fuck with it. Real talk. About to kill it, man. For NFG, man. Listen up. Kush. NFG, bitch a young movement coming from the south. Bullets bounced around in that nigga like a fun house. Left him laying dead, chest open with his lungs out. And if you want the war, then I guess my niggas bringing that. All about a bitch, I told him after he could have a bat. She talking about me eater, I said no bitch, you was not a snack. But if you do not suck it, then I guess your plans is walking back. She said you such a nigga, I said look bitch, I'm just half black. Smoking on that green crack, call it Ninja Turtle back. And if you want that purple, say you want that Donatello pack. Yeah, my team winning. NFG, go ahead and check the stats. Such a good arsonist, the way I fucking murder tracks. And if you want the same treatment, just come where my burner at. My swagger is so sick, it got all these hoes throwing up. She went down and she came up, call that shit an uppercut. Yeah. And if she talk too much, I make her hush. Put my dick in it, she make no fuss. I don't know. Shit, fuck it, it was short.